Yeah, we see it already now and also in the future that Ukraine is and will be the really defense industrial powerhouse of the European Union. They have been very innovative and very effective in their actions. And like HRVP said, that we have so much to learn from Ukraine, and especially, of course, I'm looking at this European drone defense initiative, where we see, of course, that Ukraine's participation would be very crucial. Like Kaja said, we have also proposed this drone alliance to Ukraine to really also cooperate in this area, because we know that they have been very effective here and very innovative, and this is exactly an area where we have to build our own capacities in the European Union, drone and anti-drone systems. So this is, for example, one very important concrete project, but they are welcome, of course, to come to all our capability coalitions.
This closes this press conference. Thank you very much, EVP, HRVP, and Commissioner, and have a good afternoon.